up, everybody? This is AI the Barber Guy. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a face shave and a facial massage on a young Trinidadian lady. Now, a little fancier name for this process is called dermaplaning. Now, what this is going to do is not only take all the hair off the face, but it's also going to take a small layer of skin off the face as well. So it's going to leave your skin fresh, smooth. You're going to have a little glow to you. One of the real good things for females is when they put on makeup, some of the makeup sometimes gets a little caked up on the little hairs, so this will eliminate that problem as well. Now, all the equipment I use is going to be listed in the description below with the links as well. So with that, we'll jump into the process. So the first step here, what you want to do is get your cleanser. You want to apply a nice even layer. Me, I usually do it with my hands a little bit, throwing maybe like a mini massage. And you just want to get a smooth layer around because you're going to be using a scrub brush to rub it in and to clean all the dirt out. It's going to give it a deep cleanse. Now, a few things I want to recommend is have a few towels ready. Always use a different towel when you're wiping the face. You don't want to use a towel that you use to get the cleanser off to get the massage cream off. So just have a few towels at hand. Now, this is a good service that you could introduce into your shop, and you could advertise it easily. One way I advertise is I'll go to like the little towns around my area. Listen, all of them got Facebook pages. So you jump on one of their pages or a few of the pages, you post up some videos of you doing stuff like this, and I'm telling you, they will come. It's just guaranteed they're gonna come. When they come, I'm telling you, you're not gonna have enough room in your book for all the people you're gonna get for this service. This service alone. So what I'll do is go over these steps with you to ensure that you learn how to do it a professional way and a way that's going to show very good results. Okay, so what you want to also do is have a steamer running while you're doing the cleansing process. Just having it warm up. What the steam is going to do is open up the pores more. It's going to make the shave itself really smooth. And it's also going to be very relaxing to the client. I put eucalyptus in my water as well. Okay, so we got the cleansing cream on. The steamer is running. Now I got this scrub brush. It's a pretty good scrub brush for the price you're going to pay. It comes with 4 different attachments. I got 2 different speeds. And it's a great brush. The steamer is a great steamer as well. It's actually the only black steamer that's on the market. Is by KINGSTREAM. I'm going to also have a collage of the products at the end of the video as well. Okay, so with the cleansing brush, you want to do, you don't want to be too rough on the skin. You want to do little circles, go around the whole face. Just try to stay off of the lips and try to stay out of the eyes. Don't really go around the nose too much. And you don't really need to press so hard. You don't need to give it too much pressure on the face. You just want to make it an effective and relaxing service for them. Also, if they have any makeup on, you want to make sure you get it off before you start the cleansing process. Use alcohol and some soft paper towel. Alright, so what you want to do is get a clean towel, maybe slightly moistened a little bit, and you want to get all the cleansing product off the face. Again, you don't want to press too hard. You don't really want to press hard at all, actually. You just want to get the cleansing product off the face. Try not to do full wipes, do like little dabs. Alright, so you got the face clean, your steamer's running. Now you want to apply your shave gel. Now just apply a nice thick, smooth layer all over the face, the forehead, the cheeks, underneath the chin, everywhere you're going to shave. Basically, you want to apply a nice layer, rub it in a little bit, and it's going to lead to a very smooth shave. So after you get your shaving cream on, or shaving gel, whatever you're gonna use, let the steamer go on it for, you know, a good 20-30 seconds. This is gonna help it stay moist. Usually when you put shaving gel on the face, it kind of tends to dry up. Okay, so when we start, we want to start at the top of the head. You don't really want to go too close to the hairline. You don't want to really leave any sharp lines around there. You want to keep them with their natural hairline. And every stroke or two, just make sure you wipe it on your woobie. Have your woobie right there because you're going to be doing a lot of cleaning. You want to keep your blade clean. That's very important. Keep your blade clean. You don't want to leave all that stuff on their face or on the razor. So you want to be very gentle, you know, like you're shaving somebody. Now I don't recommend you do this if you haven't had shaving experience before, only because with this process the skin is going to be very, very soft, like extremely soft. So if you have shaving experience, you know, go ahead and have at it. Just be very careful because the skin is going to be very soft. So from top to bottom, nice, clean, smooth strokes going towards the downward position. You don't really want to go against the grain because some people's skin can't handle that. And that's what's going to lead to bumps and ingrown hairs and stuff like that. Alright? So we're just going to continue with the smooth strokes. And you want to try to get into any area where there's going to be hair, like around the eyes, around the nose, around the lips, just as close as you can. Whatever you're comfortable with. Just be very careful. You want to get all that hair off. As much hair as you can. Now a couple of other things I would recommend is when you drape your client, maybe use a towel. It might be a little bit more comfortable. And make sure you keep the steamer a good distance away, because if you have it too close, it could be a little hot, and it could also mess with their breathing a little bit. Not that they won't be able to breathe, but it'll like cause a little discomfort. Alright, so you're going smooth strokes, you're cleaning your blade, client's asleep, everything's good, then boom, you got a woobie full of hair. I mean, look at all that hair. You wouldn't even be able to tell she had that much hair on her face. You really won't be able to tell when any woman has that much hair on their face. Now what this hair is doing is taking away from the smoothness of the face. It's making the face a little darker. It's getting in the way of makeup if they use makeup. Now another thing you want to know is that this is vellus hair. So this hair is not going to grow back thicker. You're not going to grow back faster. You're not going to have an abundance of hair that comes out of nowhere. All those rumors are false. Trust me. You could look it up, you study it, you're going to learn this when you go to school. And if you do this process right, when it grows back, it's not going to be noticeable. Alright, so we got the face shave, everything's good. Now we're going to take off all the shaving gel and any extra hair that may be on the face. Use another dry steam towel. Make sure it has some moisture to it. And wipe away very gentle. Get every area you can. Make sure the face is nice and clean. Now we'll get into the massage part. Make sure you clean your hands in between each of the procedures. In the beginning, I used gloves only for the cleansing process. After that, I took them off. But make sure you clean your hands in between each procedure. Also, you don't want to double dip into your massage cream. What you want to do is either have a spatula, or when you scoop it out, just put it on the back of your hand and apply it just as you applied the cleansing cream. Little sections, get around the whole face. You don't want to put too much. Just put like a good amount on. You can get a sense of that as you're doing it. And after you get them dabs on, just go into your massage manipulations. The ones that I use are effleurage, petrissage, and tapotent. I hope I said that right. But you know what it is basically the kneading of the skin, the pinching of the skin, and the tapping of the skin. This is gonna increase blood flow. It's relaxing to the client, and that's what you really want to do. You want to have your client fully relaxed. So you're just gonna go around the face with your manipulations. Don't be too rough. This is the area where I usually just start thinking like, all right, let me give them a massage that's gonna put them to sleep. So what you want to do is go toward the downward position. You want to take all that stress off the eyes, around the nose, around the sides of the cheek by the ears. You wanna press all that and just push it down. Come down and push it away. You want to hit the pressure points around the temple. Go in little circular motions. Give it a little pressure under the eyes, around the nose, at the bottom of the jawline. I like to make it a point to use my hands for this part. Now we're gonna go into a machine that I use. It's a hot and cold facial massager. Now it also says it has red light therapy and blue light therapy built in, which has many benefits. I mean, you could go on with the benefits: anti-aging, anti-inflammation, takes away wrinkles or prevents them, and they keep going. So this is a great machine. It's made by Manly. It's cheap. They got great customer service as well. It's a good product. It gets hot, it gets cold, it gets hot as it needs to, and it gets as cold as it needs to. So for opening up pores and closing pores is great, and it's comfortable. It also vibrates, so I mean, you just want to go in little circular motions again around the face. Now for each process, I would say take no more than 5 to 7 minutes to do each one, minus the shaving. However long that's going to take you is going to take you. Don't rush it, but don't go more than 5 to 7 minutes for each process. You just don't want to overstimulate the skin or anything like that, because when you're applying heat, the skin is actually swelling up a little bit. You know, you're opening the pores, so you don't want to do too much of it. So you get the face clean, get everything off of it. Now you want to go into closing the pores and also bringing down the swelling. So right here I got a jade roller. I keep it in the fridge before I'm going to do a service for a while. And what this is going to do is help relax the skin. It's going to bring the swelling down. It's going to close the pores. And it's just another relaxing procedure. You just want to roll over the skin, little small strokes, go around the face. Now you can see how smooth her face is looking now compared to the beginning of the video. So you want to just roll over, go over for about 3 to 5 minutes, get all the areas around the nose, the chin. You don't need a lot of pressure. You just want to let the roller's weight go around the face. You don't want to push down on it. Add it to the service. I throw in a little nano mister. What this has is cold water in it, and again it'll help just, you know, close the pores. And I use this before I put on my toner and my moisturizer. So again, just go around the face, little circular motions, whatever you want to do. Get all the areas that you basically touched. So this whole process takes about, I'll say, a good 45-55 minutes, somewhere around there. I mean, you could get a good $50, $60, even $80 for it, depending on your demographics, and, you know, charge your worth. What you feel like it's worth, charge it. You know what I mean? They're gonna love it. It's a great service. It's a service you're not gonna find everywhere. So make sure you do it right. Take the right steps. Keep your hands clean. Keep everything you use clean. And just clean everything after you use it. And you know, you're gonna have a good experience, both you and your client. So here I'll apply the astringent. Just wipe down 2 little pads, paper towels, whatever you want. Get it on there good. You don't have to put too much, just, you know, put astringent on, that's all. After that, come through with your moisturizer. Get a nice clean layer on that. You don't want it to be too thick. It's gonna go into the skin. That's gonna give him that glow. Everything's gonna give him that glow. So I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna talk about the products next, and I'm gonna have pictures of them. They're also, like I said, gonna be in the description below. If you would, just like, comment, and share, and subscribe. And again, thank you for watching.
Mom, look at my face. Mom, look at my face. Like, really big. Come feel my face. Come feel it. Come feel it.
Alright, so the products right here, you got your facial cleansing brush, your steamer, and your hot and cold facial massager. The steamer is going to have a discount added to it when you click the link below. Over here, we're going to have the Jade Stone roller, the mister, and the roller stand. These products are all off of Amazon, and like I said, they're great products. Thanks again, everybody, and please subscribe.